Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. Its biggest concern is the same as yours, your family. That's why the Odyssey is the champion of meeting your family's needs. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.